Welcome. If you've ever found yourself in a group chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, and needed to report a conversation for any reason, this guide will walk you through the process step by step using the latest update for PC users. First, open X in your preferred web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Messages icon. This will take you straight to your inbox, where all your private and group conversations are listed. Next, find the group chat you want to report. You can scroll through your messages or use the search bar above your inbox to quickly locate the group. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the group conversation. You'll notice 3 dots appear. This is the options menu for that group. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Report Conversation. This will bring up a new window where X will prompt you to specify the reason for your report. The platform may ask you to choose from several options, such as spam, abuse, or other violations of X's policies. Carefully review the available options and select the one that best describes the issue you're experiencing. After making your selection, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reporting process. You may be asked for additional details or to provide specific examples of the problematic behavior. Once you've submitted your report, X's moderation team will review the conversation and take appropriate action based on their guidelines. Reporting helps keep the platform safe and respectful for everyone. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and effectively report a group conversation on X using your PC. Thanks for watching. And remember, your actions help create a better online community for all users.